Hey everyone, welcome back to Heavy Warrior and welcome to day 25 of our 30-day 5-minute challenge. For today's workout, we're going to be doing a Tabata set. Oh yeah! We'll do our 60 seconds of movement warm-up, then we'll do 10 seconds of rest, and then we'll do 8 rounds of 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. And today we're going to be doing, for our odd rounds, push-ups or pressing with the arms. That can be pressing against a wall or a dumbbell press or a log press if you got it. And for our even rounds, we're doing hip hinges. You can always switch that out with something like a deadlift, kettlebell swing. We're just looking to get the back side of the legs and the back pulling and lifting. All right, we'll start off with our 60-second warm-up, going in 10 seconds. Oh, remember, Tabatas are about pacing and consistency, much like our regular training. And run in place. Too many times I've blown myself out in Tabatas, get all excited, and after the third round I'm like, oh no, I still got 5 more to go. Ready, taps, go. Taps, 2, 1, and hops. Nice and easy, nice and calm. Gathers. If anything, we're looking for more like a samurai than a berserker barbarian, you know? It's gonna be fun to be a barbarian, and there's days for being a barbarian. Rest. But today, let's be the samurai. Let's be zen, let's be focused. So we're starting off again with push-ups. 3, 2, 1, and go. Good. Today I'm feeling like changing it up. You can see I was doing consistent pace on those push-ups. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do next. Ready, hip hinge, go. I'm gonna keep my hands up a little higher, make it a little bit harder. Consistency, pace yourself. Don't get too excited and go too hard. 1, rest. So on those push-ups, instead of just good consistent pace and getting the high numbers, I'm gonna do slow and fast ones. Not slow and fast ones, but power ones. So power in the arms is something I'm currently working on. So that's a way to, instead of just, oh, I'm doing Tabata, you can work on different things. Hip hinges, 2, 1, go. It's about meeting where you're at and your goals. Because my goals aren't your goals. Or maybe they're similar. 2, 1, rest. I'm gonna do one more round of power push-ups, and then I'm gonna show you something, another way to play with it. 3, 2, 1, and go. As you can see, that's hard for me. I'm good at consistent speed, but not that explosiveness I'm working on. Find your weakness, strengthen it, make it your strength. Part of that is because power used to be my strength, and I focused on my other side. So now I'm going to show you what my strong side is now, and that's more like slow and controlled, more like yoga style or something. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna do 10 seconds down. And 10 seconds up. If you're used to doing it only one speed, try something new. I tell you, it's gonna be fun. Lastly, hip hinges. Make sure you're getting that big opening in the front body. I saw someone earlier today doing these. Those aren't a rep, that's a rep. Get it full. If you're not getting the full movement, all you're doing is half cheating yourself. What? We're done? That was your last Tabata of our regular 4-week program. We got bonus days coming to you after this week. Oh, I hope you're having a good day. Movement like this always makes me feel better. Like and subscribe, it really helps us out and it keeps you informed. Show up tomorrow, keep that ball rolling, and as always, love y'all.